In this lecture, we will talk about working with dictionaries in Python. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is connected to a value, and you can use a key to access the value associated with that key. A key's value can be a number, a string, a list, or even another dictionary. In fact, you can use any object you can create in Python as a value in a dictionary. In Python, a dictionary is wrapped in brace with a series of key-value pairs inside the brace. Each key is connected to its value by a colon, and individual key-value pairs are separated by commas. And accessing values in a dictionary, to get the value associated with a key, give the name of the dictionary, and then place the key inside a set of square brackets as shown here in this simple example, in which the dictionary alien0 stores the alien's color and point value. So we create a dictionary called alien0 with two key value pairs. The first key value pair is the color is the key, and green is the value of the color. The second key value pairs, the key is points and the value is 5 assigned to the points. So we can access the value of the color using alien0 square brackets, then color. You can print out this value. The result is green. Similarly, we can access the value of the key points using alien0 square brackets, then points, and we can print out this value. The result is 5. We can also get the value of key points, then assign to a new variable called new points. Then we'll print a message with a concatenation of a string you just earned, concatenate with a string type of these new points. Actually, new points is 5, then with a string points. So the result is a message you just earned 5 points is printed out. So how to add new key-value pairs in a dictionary? To add a new key-value pair, you would give the name of the dictionary followed by the new key in square brackets along with the new value. So let's add two new pieces of information to the alien0 dictionary, the alien's x and y coordinates. So just write alien0 is the dictionary's name, and square brackets. Then inside the square brackets, use the new key here, then equal to a new value. Similarly, the y position is a new key to this dictionary, and this is the new value. Notice that when dictionary is printed out, the order of the key-value pairs does not match the order in which we added them. Python doesn't care about the order in dictionary in which you store each key-value pairs. It cares only about the connection between each key and its value. And starting with an empty dictionary, it is sometimes convenient or even necessary to start with an empty dictionary and then add a new item to it. To start filling an empty dictionary, define a dictionary with an empty set of braces and then add each key-value pairs on its own line. So here we start with empty dictionary called alien0 with a brace but no items inside it. Then we write this dictionary with a square brackets with a new key name inside the brackets, and this is the value assigned to this key. And we can also assign points with 5. The result is the same as the previous example. We can also modify values in a dictionary. To modify a value in a dictionary, just give the name of the dictionary with the key in square brackets and then the new value you want associated with that key. For example, consider an alien that changes from green to yellow as a game progresses. So we can just write alien 0 is a dictionary, then brackets, inside is the key of key, color key, then we write a new value, yellow, and we can print the alien is now is yellow. For a more interesting example, let's check the position of an alien that can move at different speeds. We will store a value representing the alien's current speed and then use it to determine how far to the right the alien should move. So first, we create a dictionary alien 0, which includes 3 key value pairs. The first is the x position 0, y position is 25, and speed is medium. Then we try to move the alien to the right according to, first we have to use if else block for conditional tests. So if alien's speed is slow, then the variable called x increment is 1. If the speed is medium, x increment is 2, and else, if these two conditions do not match, then the x increment will be assigned with 3. So the new position is the older position plus the increment. So alien's x position will assign a new value to this x position. The new value is the old value x position plus the variable x increment. So the alien 0's value of x position has been modified. And we can also remove key value pairs in a dictionary. So when you no longer need a piece of information that's stored in a dictionary, you can use the del statement to completely remove a key value pair. All del needs is the name of the dictionary and the key that you want to remove. So for example, let's remove the key called points from the alien 0 dictionary along with its value. So we just write del, delete del, space, the alien 0s, and brackets, then write the key inside the brackets. Do not need to write a value here, just write the key. So the alien 0's key value pair points, key value pairs of points and its value are removed. We will show all these commands in Anaconda Spider. Though we found the section 5 dictionaries called Working with Dictionaries, source file, and all the source file can be downloaded from the GitHub for this course, and the link is put in the description of the video. You can check. And lecture 1, Working with Dictionaries, a simple example of dictionary can just create this alien dictionary with 2 key value pairs. Then run selection. We can print out these 2 keys value. So the green and 5 are printed out. We can also assign, we can also create this, then assign this value to a new variable called new point. Then we print a message. You just earned 5 points. You just earned 5 points. Now adding new key value pairs. This is the original create original dictionary, then print out key value pairs, print dictionary printed out. Then we add two new key value pairs, X position and Y position, into this dictionary. Then we print again. Now 4 key value pairs inside the dictionary now. But notice that sometimes the sequence of these key value pairs is not exactly the same as the sequence in which we have added, because dictionary only cares about the key value pairs association, not their sequence. Now, starting with an empty dictionary, we start with an empty dictionary with a brace but no items inside. Then we add these 2 key value pairs in this empty dictionary. Then print out same as this example. 2 key value pairs are added. Then we can modify values in a dictionary. This is original when only 1 key value pair is color. Then print the alien's color. Alien is green now. Then we change the color to yellow. Just write the dictionary and bracket and its key. Then assign a new value to the left side. Then we print this message, new message. The alien is now yellow. The color is changed. And here we can create a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Then print a message, original position, original X position. So original position is 0 because X position is 0. Then we move the alien to the right and figure out how far to move the alien based on its speed. So here is the if else block. We run this conditional test first to get the value of X increment. So we run this, then assign the new value to this dictionary's key X position. Then print out how far X has moved. New position is 2 because X speed is alien speed is medium, and medium will get the increment 2 for X increment. Then this one plus the old value is then get a new value is 2. We can remove key value pairs in alien. First to create this dictionary again, then print 2 key value pairs in this dictionary, color and points, but we remove the points. Then print again. Now only 1 key value pairs points has been removed.